Once you're logged into the portal, you'll see the menu across the top here. The second option in is Referral Program. A lot of you constantly recommend, us to your colleagues and just people you know in the industry, and we appreciate it more than words can ever say. But we want you to get an incentive for those referrals as well. So anytime that you recommend us to somebody, make sure that you're sharing your referral code out there. When you click Referral Program within the portal, you'll see the options here to where you have a unique code. You can share that with anybody. All they have to do is when they place their first order, when they enter that code at checkout, they're going to get $50 off their first order. And then once their order is completed, you'll also get a $50 credit in your account for any future orders. So it's our way of saying thank you for all the great referrals and letting people know, that we're here to take great care of them. All they have to do is come in here, get the referral code, and they can use that at checkout. We do have some other options down below to where you can share it via link. So if you just want to copy the link and send it off to somebody, down below you can actually have some shortcuts to send it directly through text. So if you're on your phone and you click that, it will automatically load up your text. You can send that out to whoever you want to have this information. And then we have some other share options as well on that side of things. But the only stipulations is that they have to be a brand new agent, so they haven't worked with us before. And as soon as they complete that first order, you'll see a $50 credit. You'll get notified of that. When you log into your account and you go over to Invoices, you'll see up here any credits that are on your account. So if you ever want to check in on that, when you go to pay any invoice, it will automatically try to credit that or apply that credit to that order for you. But very simple process to give a little bit back to you for all the great referrals that you send our way.